A La Maison de Provence, hand, and body liquid soap, Lavender Aloe, 16.9 fluid ounces, 500 milliliters. Product overview description. Traditional French milled ultra moisturizing with olive and argan oils SLS-free liquid soap from France for sustainability and biodiversity, palm oil free. What makes our A La Maison, just like home in French, so uniquely different from other liquid soaps? Our traditional recipe dates back to 1828 in France when Marseille soap masters developed the famous French milled process. A slow cooking and purifying process which transforms 100% vegetable oils into glycerin-rich, smooth, lathering soaps, softer to the skin than other liquid soaps also known as detergents. Traditional French milled. For hand and body. 100% vegetable oils. Long-lasting and lathering. No SLS, parabens or phthalates. Cruelty-free, biodegradable. Other ingredients: filtered water, coconut and olive oil, vegetable glycerin, argan oil, tocopherol, vitamin E, aloe leaf extract, fragrance blend with plant extracts and/or essential oils. Warnings: not tested on animals. For external use only. Keep at room temperature. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.